Lesson number 5. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to do sorting and how to do filtration and these things. Right. Here it gives names and student marks for 3 subjects, maths, science and English, and total marks. So first it is asked, sort the student according to their names. So first it is asking to prepare a list according to student names. So I am copy this table, this data, set into another worksheet and paste it here. Now it is asking to sort according to their names. Right, I'm centering this one also to have a better look. So now I am selecting, I can delete if I need, I can delete this empty row. Now I can select it, these things with the headings and the data. Then I will go here, sort and filter. Then click here. Then if I want to sort this, I can use this one as well as this one, but better to use this custom sort. Then I am click custom sort. Then it is asked whether you have headers or not. Then I will put a tick because I have headers. Then sort by. It's asking by based on what you want to sort. So I am selecting the name, then sort on value, and then you want to sort A to Z or Z to A. Both you can select, but I am now in this time I am sorting A to Z. So then click OK. See, now all the names in the alphabetical order it had sort according to names. Then what they are saying, sort the student according to their total marks, highest to lowest. This time they are asking to sort the student names highest to lowest. Sorry, they are asking to sort the student according to their total marks, but highest to lowest. So I will copy this one again, copy and paste it here. Then I can delete this thing, but now I can't delete this row because there is another table there. So I can select the full table and I can drag and drop one column forward. Now what I would do, I have to select the total data set and then click sort and filter, then custom sort. Then this time we are going to sort this data according to total marks. So I'm selecting total value, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. This time I want to sort this largest to smallest. The student who get the total marks, the highest total marks first, then click OK. Now can you see 277, 277, two students get highest marks. So it's sort according to total marks. Right. Then it is asking sort student according to their maths marks and then to science marks and then English mark. Now it is asking to sort. First I will copy this one and paste it here. Right, paste it here and I can drop this thing here without deleting this row. And now they are asking to sort the student marks first according to maths. Then if there are two students get equal marks for maths, then it should have to be sort according to the science mark. That means if two students have similar marks to maths, here Udari 95 and Hasinta 95. So then both students got equal marks to maths. Then it should have to be sorted according to the science marks. Then Hasita 95 and Grace 95. These both students take 95, 95, and another one student. Yes, another Udari. These three students get equal marks for maths, 95. Then it should have to be sorted according to their science mark. That means first, who should come first? Then science marks 92, 65, and 65. Then this student should have to be come first because she got the highest marks for science after maths. So then this can be very difficult to do manually if there are a lot of students. Here only few students, so we can do manually and we can think manually. But if there are more than 100 or 200 students, then it is very difficult to do manually. So we have to use Excel. So we'll see how to do this. Similarly, we did in the previous example, we have to select all this data set, then go to this one, sort and filter. Here, select custom sort, then sort by. First, we want to sort according to maths marks. So largest to smallest. Then we want to add another level. After maths marks, then it should have to be sorted according to science marks. Then add level. Then we are giving science. Then value largest to smallest. Then after sort according to science, then it should sort according to English marks. Add level, English marks. Largest to smallest. Then we'll click OK. Now can you see Grace is the first because she got 95 marks. There are 3 students who got 95 marks, but Grace got the highest marks for science among them. Therefore, she came first. So this is how we are doing sorting according to levels. Then what we have to do, there is an interview. To eligible to call for the interview, there is a criteria. Any student who got 50 or above for maths and 60 or above for science and 75 or above for English will select for this interview. Right? So if these criteria are not fulfilled, then they will not call for the interview. So we want to select the best qualified student within this criteria. They should have to take more than 50 for maths, more than 60 for science, and more than 75 for English. All 3 criteria should have to be fulfilled to call for the interview. So what we are going to do now, again, we are copy this table and paste it here. Paste it here. Paste it here, right? Okay, now we can delete this unnecessary unwanted row. Delete. Now we are going to select the student for interview. So now we are not using sort. Now we are using filter option. So we select all these data set and then go here and select sort and filter, then filter. Now we are going to filter. So maths, they should get more than 50 and science 60 and English 75. 50, 60, 75. So for maths, we are selecting this little drop down arrow and then number filters. Here, there's an option called number filter. Then you can have these options greater than 50. Then click OK. Now it had filtered. Now there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 students. So this is only one criteria. So then science mark should have to be greater than 60. There are students who got science marks less than 60. So we have to filter out them also. Then again click on this little arrow, then number filter, then greater than 60. Then click OK. Now it had filtered to maths marks and as well as for the science marks, but English marks should have to be more than 75. There are few students who got lesser marks for English, although they got the cutoff marks for the maths and science. So we have to filter out the other student for the English also. So then we click on the drop down arrow, then go to number filter, then greater than. Now this time for the English 75, then click OK. Now only 1, 2, 3, 4 students eligible for interview because all these students got the relevant criteria, 50 or above for maths, 60 or above for science, and 75 or above for English. So these students are eligible for the interview. Right. Then by using filter, we can do another thing. There is a large set of data, student registration number and index number, and colored according to these criteria. If they don't have identity card as well as photo, then those students colored in red. Then if these students don't have ID card, then it had colored in yellow. And if these students don't have photo only, then the student colored as green. And if they have both ID card as well as the photo both, then it's in white color. They are okay. So now it is asking select and prepare a list of students who have no identity card. So now it is asking to prepare a list of students who don't have identity card. So I am selecting this data set. So it's a large data set. So drag and select is difficult. So at the first lesson, I teach you how to select this kind of data set. Just select first 2 data cells and then Control Shift and down arrow key. Then it will select the total data set and Control C, copy, and I am pasting it here. Right. And we can adjust the column width by double clicking here. We can adjust to the best fit column width, or we can make the size larger. Okay, now I want to select the student who don't have the identity card. I think yes, who don't have ID card. Yes, okay, identity card. That means green. No, yellow. Then again, I'll go there and select the whole data set and then go to sort and filter and click this drop down arrow and then click filter. Now we want to filter this student data set according to colors. So now I need the student who don't have the identity card who are in yellow color. Then click on this drop down arrow, filter by color. Then I am filter by color yellow. I am selecting yellow. Now it had filtered. Right? So I can copy and paste this student into a separate place. Control C and Control V. I can select the student, copy, and here and paste special values only. Okay, we'll see what was happened there. Right, anyhow, these are the students who don't have identity card. Then again, it is asking to select and prepare a list of students who don't have photos. So now we have to select the student who don't have photos. That means green color. Then again, I can copy this one and I can paste it here. In a new sheet, I can paste it. Right, then select. Now this time I want to select the student who don't have photos. That means green color. Go to filter, click filter. Then click here and filter by color, and this time green. These students don't have the identity card. No, the photo. And now I want to select the student who don't have both identity card and photo. So how to do? Again, I am creating another new tab, new sheet, and copy and paste these things here and make the column size okay. And then select the data set, Control Shift down arrow, and go to sort and filter. Filter. Now click here, then filter by color, then red. So two students don't have identity card as well as photo. Then I want to get the student who are okay, who have both ID card and photo both. So then I am selecting this one again, Control C, and in a new worksheet, Control V, adjusting the column width. And now again selecting this, Control Shift down arrow. Selecting, Control Shift down arrow. Now go to filter and click filter. And now here, filtered by color, no field. This student have both identity card and photo. That means they are okay. So this is how we are working with sort and filter option in Excel.